All right, you keep that guarded with your life. Run. That will open any door. Okay, any door.
All right.
Let's fucking go.
Any door.
Open this door.
I'm ready. I'm already ready. Steady.
Light containment zone overall decontamination in T-minus 30 seconds. All checkpoint doors have been permanently opened. Please evacuate.
We gotta evacuate now. We gotta go. We gotta go now. Let's go.
19,
Run!
16, 15, 14, 13, 12.
I don't know where to go, man.
Seconds. 9,
Go.
7, 6, 5,
Keep running.
3, 2,
This is it.
No! No! No!
Got a new job.
No! Arnold's alone! Arnold's dying alone!
all SCP subjects.
Press for the kill all.
Welcome to the death zone.
Fucking
rip in peace.
Recontainment sequence commencing. Heavy containment. Zone
Welcome to the dead space.
T-minus.
Hey, Peter.
Pleasure to be here. I can actually speak now.
So, yeah.
Is that a computer? And
Don't take
this
my
guy.
cola.
I'm Sora. I'm gonna go look for my friends. They're waiting for me.
Thank you, Blind Fig. Very cool.
Well, apparently he's sworn he's gonna go
no more.
all Sora
Yeah, the D-boys win!
Wow.
Good fucking shit. Arnold, you died alone. I'm so sorry.
I think I was a bad guy. Boys.
You think what?
I think I was a bad guy.
I'm out of there.
Overcharging.
3, 2, 1. Hey, what's up? Oh God!
Dang.
Oh!
I got friendly fire.
I got you.
Holy shit! I didn't realize all of them were freaking. Jesus!
Oh fuck, Naomi!
Oh, okay. Oh, looks like you went into a big loop there. That's not very smart person.
Can you fucking not?
Are you sure that you're not one of the D boys yourself? Like, I mean, your so far your performance is that of a D grade.
Bro, that's actually kind of mean, bro.
You had
It's actually kind of fucked up.
Guilted him into dropping his credentials.
Run!
Run!
Oh, no! Oh shit! It didn't work.
I was excited to kill some deep boys.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, I got super effed.
Man.
Well, let's go to arcade, and he was excited.
Rough days.
Days indeed. I was whimpering in the corner.
You do that all the time? I haven't done that in ages.
God, fuck.
He just.
Why do you have to go for us?
Why are you looking at him?
I weren't trying. The thing looks so fucking weird.
I'm sorry, Arcada.
I just wanted him to love me.
He's like a model. He was
You
strutting
timed
his
it
stuff.
almost right, man.
Indeed, he was.
Arcada, did you get to kill anybody?
I didn't even get to play, dude. There's only one way out, and it was through
Kind of
the.
reminds me of like
It was through the
Voldemort's
electric
fetus,
thing.
you know,
Can
I'm
I
a big
run
fan
as
of
this
that
character?
option.
Like,
You can
In Harry
absolutely
Potter.
make it safely through. You just have to time it right.
Maybe
And
not.
it shouldn't be that impossible. You just have to like see it happen a few times first and get ready to go as soon as it drops.
I was safe.
Oh, God.
I kept rubber banding. I'm not sure why.
I am a huge fan of your showering gun.
You're not muted on that. Just
Oh, sorry.
I'll think first.
Oh, where do hermits live?
The door, please. Up.
Finish the sentence. A 10? Oh no! Oh wait, this guy was an asshole. Oh! There's a pain at the foot! Run backwards, everyone!
What are we doing?
Bad guys over there, guys.
Let me wait.
Woo! He came way faster than I thought he would.
After getting blinded.
Oh god, I was gonna run away, but no, he ran way faster.
Damn. Me and my boy Bass, we were doing some...
These boys, these boys,
Oh, hey.
That was really low. Your gun.
Here, repeat after me. This will always get them. Hello! I have many Z-Bucks and I need help. Anyone around? See, that'll always get them.
Pardon me. Does anybody here would like to buy a brochure or a package? Oh, hey, man.
Oh, yes! Ah! It worked! It worked!
Where did that peanut go?
I think you should go to the right.
Hello.
Me.
Things are about to get boomy.
I love you guys.
Oh.
Wait, how'd the SCP win? What?
Easy, GG. No re.
Easy.
I don't know how we won. Oh, you guys want to go make sure that Alpha Warhead's not set? Good, me too. Bye.
Sure.
All right, so you guys with me? Listen, while they're not here, listen. These guys, like, you want to fucking shoot them? I won't. Yellow. Whoa.
Give me a gun!
All right, yeah, I mean, like, I'm intimidated. Yeah, go ahead.
Cool.
Yeah, man.
No!
Oh. Well, he was a criminal. Thank you. Like, I really appreciate you. Like, you did me a solid. Like, rest in peace, this guy. Wait, hold on. Did he have a really good keycard, brother? Was that what was this keycard?
No, it's just the same.
Oh, okay. That's fine. That's fair. He's dead now.
Rip in peace.
Rest in peace, man. Here, I'm gonna pour a disarmer out. Oh god. Oh.
I'm trying to arrest me.
I saved him.
Have that.
I saved him. I saved that man. Wait, guys! Wait! Please! Don't leave me behind! Don't leave me behind! Don't leave me behind! It'll be very... No!
Tell me about it.
Go on my own then. I don't need chaos. I can be the order. I'll be the order. Yeah. I'll do that, man. Yeah. I'll do it. Hey guys.
Oh, hey.
Don't go in there. Don't go down there.
Whoa, that's okay. Are there like bad guys down there?
There was a...
Oh, the door just closed.
Okay, well, I'm gonna go.
I think it's the rat guy. We should probably run.
Get Get away from me. Get away. Get away. Go. Get away. 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 Die! Don't look at him. You're crazy. I hear bad sounds. How's it going? How are you? How did I get into this situation? Fuck me. Oh, fuck. Oh, God! This one. Damn it!
Dog is a fucking traitor.
Biscuits.
He closed the door on me so I could get killed. Yeah, you better run.
Good.
Larry. He's right there.
Containment unit.
Source room. It's in the source room. This way.
Yep. Yep. Come on. 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 Can we get out? No, do not get in there, you crazy! They're gonna die. They're gonna fucking die. They're gonna fucking die. We gotta get that. Go back down there. We gotta save that man. Come on. We gotta get the man. Gotta get the man. Get in here. Get in here. Get in here. Get in here. Where you at? Where you at? You fool. Get back here. Where? Oh my, they turned it off. Yo, hello. Where'd you go? Get back. Hello. Yo, oh, there you go. Come on.
Oh, wait, what?
Excuse me? How did we stalemate? How did we just... I thought we did it!
Get you baited. Ad beams forever.
Oh man. I was so close to being a hero. I deserve to go this way.
With standard evacuation protocols.
Uh-oh.
MTF squad reaches destination.
Uh-oh. Today?
I'm falling. What's going on?
What?
Barry, is that you?
Todd Howard? Is that you? All right.
Who turned out the lights?
I hear you. I hear you. I'm on you. I'm on you. Yes.
Okay.
Hi.
I see you.
I see you. I see you. Sort of.
Okay. Don't move. Okay, we gotta move at the same time. We're gonna leave each other.
Okay, you're right. All right, I'm gonna go forward.
All right. Okay. Don't.
Check your
I think I'm gonna throw a grenade.
Okay. I gotta find you again. Where do you go? I found you. I'm on you.
You're there. Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Which
Okay.
direction are you moving?
Okay. W.
Okay. W.
W.
Okay. All right. W.
W. I ended up not getting anywhere, and I went S.
Yeah, I saw somebody too.
Okay.
If only we had a flashlight.
Oh, just on SCP.
And
what is that sound?
Damn it, I lost.
And I have night vision on my scope, but it doesn't seem to be working.
Yeah,
So I guess we just went blind.
Yeah.
I have a ball. You want me to throw the ball?
You do?
Yeah.
Well,
Oh, now I'm blind again. I'm a blind lieutenant. This is all I can do now.
The plan.
I love you.
I think I'm broken.
Fucking cry killed me.
Everybody's broken, apparently.
I lived.
Oh, I thought that was you fucking with us.
A nuke?
I had a touching moment though that was birthed from that, so it's fine.
There was a nuke that just went off. I'm at 1% health. I'm not dead. Anyone want to explain?
Naomi has negative like 2 trillion or something like that.
Yeah,
Quite blind.
Like it re-rolls.
Also, I'm smelling something
I
burning.
did unleash the bouncy ball SCP.
Over.
Nice.
Hello.
Oh, wow. Oh, round restart might be a good idea.
Well, that was a great last round, guys.
That was fun.
That was wild.
Yeah. Yeah. I mean, we could leave that as the last round. But
that works for me, dude.
All right.
I became every SCP.
I mean,
that game's fun.
It is a wild heckin' time of a game, if you ask me.
By the way, Arcade, Russ's server is always up, so you can stream it whenever.
The Lich King.
Oh no.
Kill Arthas. Kill Jester. Just kill Jester.
Good reference.